Welcome to our channel, where we empower beginners to step into the world of stock trading with confidence. Today, we have an exciting video lined up for you as we dive into the fundamentals of trading stocks. Whether you're a complete novice or have a basic understanding, this video will provide you with valuable insights and knowledge to get started. So, let's jump right in. Before we begin, let's clarify what stock trading actually means. Stock trading refers to the buying and selling of shares or stocks in various companies through stock exchanges. It's a way for individuals and investors to participate in the ownership of a company and potentially profit from its success. Now, let's explore the key steps to get started in stock trading. 1. Understanding the stock market. The first step for beginners is to understand the stock market. The stock market is a platform where buyers and sellers trade stocks. It can be overwhelming at first, but by grasping some key concepts, you'll gain confidence in navigating this complex world. Some important terms to familiarize yourself with include stock exchanges, indices, and market orders. Remember, knowledge is power. 2. Setting financial goals. It's crucial to set clear financial goals before entering the stock market. Determine what you hope to achieve through stock trading. Are you looking for long-term wealth accumulation or short-term gains? Understanding your goals will help you develop a suitable investment strategy and make informed decisions. 3. Researching stocks. Conducting thorough research on potential stocks is essential. Start by analyzing a company's financial health, growth prospects, and industry trends. Consider factors like revenue, earnings, debt levels, and competitive advantages. Additionally, stay updated on news and market trends to make informed investment choices. 4. Developing a trading plan. Every successful trader follows a well-defined trading plan. A trading plan outlines your strategies, risk tolerance, entry and exit points, and position sizing. It acts as a roadmap, helping you make consistent and disciplined trading decisions. Remember, emotions can cloud judgment, so a trading plan keeps you on track. 5. Practicing risk management. Risk management is a crucial aspect of stock trading. It involves assessing and mitigating potential risks associated with your investments. Diversification, setting stop-loss orders, and being aware of market volatility are some strategies to manage risk effectively. Protecting your capital is essential for long-term success. 6. Choosing a brokerage. To execute trades, you'll need a brokerage account. Research and compare different brokerage platforms, considering factors like fees, trading tools, customer support, and ease of use. Choose a reputable and reliable brokerage that suits your trading style and preferences. Congratulations! You've completed our crash course on trading stocks for beginners. Remember, stock trading is a journey that requires continuous learning and practice. Stay curious, keep researching, and adapt your strategies as you gain experience. We hope this video has provided a solid foundation for your stock trading endeavors. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our future videos. Until next time, happy trading! This video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.